is April 10th. It's a Sunday morning, 6:12 right now. I'm back out here around Hackleburg, Alabama, and I've heard 2 gobbles so far. I'm pretty sure they were 2 different birds, but they were both pretty far off. I was out here last weekend, and had a mess up. Somebody was out here with me, and they took a couple of shots at a bird, or a big group of birds, and busted them all up. So I haven't been back out here since then. It's been about a week. Tried to give them some time off, but I'm glad I'm just hearing gobbles still. So anyway, we'll see how it goes. Hopefully we can get one that wants to play today. That same day last week, we got close, about 70 yards from one, but nothing came of it. They have a couple of hens with them right now. There's been 2 or 3 gobblers out here, and it seems like each one has 2 or 3 hens. Whenever I've seen them on camera or something, but we're gonna get going and get after it. These birds are in 2 different spots. There's one way over there, and then it sounds like there's one way back there. And I'm kind of right now in the middle between 2 of them, and I'm just gonna wait a little while and see if one gets kind of worked up, and go after the more vocal one, and just kind of let the morning wake up and the birds come alive. So it's pretty cold today. It's cold every dang weekend we come out here. It's 39 degrees, 38 degrees. Seems like it's bright and sunny and warm during the week, and then when the weekends come, which is when I hunt, it's pretty cold. So anyway, we'll see how the morning goes and keep you updated. Hopefully we can get on one. So there's one across that little finger right there, and there's one way off down that way. I'm not close to either of them, but there's a lot of sign right in here, a lot of tracks, so I think there's still a bird somewhere around here. I thought that one of those gobbles sounded pretty close, at least in this ridge, not the one way over. But I got an owl fired up, so he's going to be my locator for the morning. But I need him to get going. But this turkey's finally fired up, but he's still far. He's still a ridge over. He sounded super far when I first heard him this morning, but man, I thought there was one right in here. I guess there still could be, but I don't know. I'm gonna try and get closer, see if I can get him above him, but I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Well, I just got him to strike right there, but it sounds like we're on the same level, but he's across this big deep bottom. I'm in some young pines, so I've got good cover. I'm gonna have to go a long way to get near this bird. I'm worried that once he hits that road or crosses it, I'm done. That was him again. I don't know, I think I'm getting ahead of him. I don't know, this road, if he stays along that creek, then this road that I'm going down, gets in front of him if he keeps heading that direction. So I guess we'll see what happens. I'm walking all over Kingdom Come to try and get closer to him and try and get in a better spot that he might come to, but we'll keep trying. Keep you updated. See, I'm back at the road now. If he's across this road, then I'm done, but I think he's up there on this side of the road. I don't think he's all the way across, so I gotta be careful about how I'm moving. It gets pretty open once you get back over here up to this bottom. There's trucks riding by all the time, so I don't know. I think I'm getting in front of him. You could hear that gobble, but he's probably about 100 yards, but this is so open. So open. Probably gonna wait a little bit. See if he moves away, and if he does, I'll back up and I'll drop down in this creek. It's not deep, it's just there's a big hole that the creek sits in, a big drop off, so I could walk along that creek and duck my head down and not be seen. But that's only if he moves away. But I'm going to give it time. See if he keeps working this creek, comes to me. Oh my God. I can't. I didn't even get it on my good camera. Those two hens are across the creek over that way. And he came right around this corner. I don't know. I guess I'll call it 25 yards. But I'm not going to be dumb. I'm going to go get him while I can still put my hands on him. Oh, God. Bless America. I'm shaking so bad. I'm trying to get him before he goes and falls off in that creek. I kind of had to swing on him a little bit while he was behind this tree right here. Thank you, Jesus. I'm going to sit my gun down, set my camera down, and try and get situated. I guess he was, those two hens walked down this way, and I heard sound like flapping wings, so I guess he hopped across right here, and I was sitting up there, and I guess he came right here, and man, it sounded like he was forever away, or across that creek, just because he was around this bend until he finally got around the corner, and then, gosh, I was worried he saw me because he froze as soon as he got around that corner. I was breathing so hard, shaking crazy. Oh, man. Oh, beautiful. Oh, my gosh. He's heavy. Oh, my gosh, I have to walk across the world to get back to my truck. Oh, man. That is awesome. Oh, man. Oh, I can't believe it. Jeez. That is crazy. That is so crazy. I might stop and take a picture here, or I might walk all the way back. I'm not kidding. I walked. Sorry, I know I'm shaking you around. That's not as far as I thought. I've only walked 2.5 miles, but it seemed like forever. But God, man, I just cannot believe it. All right, anyway. I don't know if you can see me. I don't really care. So, it's 8 o'clock. It's probably a little bit after 8 now. Our first gobble was probably at probably 6:30. It was early, but man, this turkey sounded so far when I heard him first. And he's pretty far, farther than where they normally start out. Oh, but I don't want to mess him up here. But I'm 20 feet from the road. That's the border for this property. So always cutting it close, I guess. But I guess I'm going to strap him up, start the trek back to the truck. Maybe find one on the way out. This has been the only bird that's really gobbled well all year. It's been super cold. It's 40 degrees. Start this morning it was cold, but it warmed up really quick. He was just steady gobbling. Not really after anything. Just letting you know where he was, and I could tell he was part of this open timber. But when I heard him, he was way back there, and I just tried to loop around him and get in front and wait. And the timing just was perfect, I guess. And those hens, thankfully, just kept on following the creek. So, but we're gonna strap him up, grab the camera stuff. I don't know what I got on film. I don't really care, but We're gonna start working our way back to the truck. It's gonna be a long walk, but it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be worth it.